Hey there YouTube, so back again with another update video. Been a while since I posted anything, but just a little update. So as you can see, I got the good old welding truck. I've been running it for not about a month now. I've had it on the road. Haven't been extremely busy, been here and there, and been working pretty good for me. See, I got the welder put on. Still got to mount those tanks. I got the mount on the other side. Let me show you what I got. I'll explain this a little bit later. But yeah, I made this mount right here. This right here. Designed so I can hook, I think it can actually fit one oxygen, one acetylene, and one like C25 or something, or argon. I think right now I'm just gonna set up for 2, with the option of having one more. That way, if I get into something I'm doing like a bunch of MIG or a bunch of aluminum or anything like that, I can get a big tank and just set it on there and then just go to town with it. Other than that, pretty simple frame, just an angle iron. Yeah, just a piece of angle iron frame. It's 2 inch by 3/16 or something of that nature. I had it, so I used it. But these I added 2. They hook straight up to the battery with some, I think, 2-gauge wire or something. Basically, it's just a jumping port because my battery sits right back there. And you probably could get this cover off, which I probably can. I didn't think I would have as much room as I would. But just for simplicity's sake, if I had to say jump it or charge the battery or something, I can just do it right from there. Simple. But as for the actual truck itself, it's been good. Been having things I've had to do to it. Nothing major, just once you get driving, you notice. I had to put new pads and motors in the front, because they were warped, so when you go to stop, the whole truck shakes. But now it's all good now. I still gotta get a set of tires for the, let me see my phone number. I still gotta get a set of tires for the front here. They in alignment. Those are 2 things I got left. I got a whole bunch of other little things, but nothing really worth mentioning. So I'll explain this a little bit. Actually, before I explain this, I'll show you where it's going. So I'm used to having, like, wrapping my leads up, but the problem is with this truck, I don't like having them open because I'm afraid they're gonna get stolen on me. So what I want to do is take and put a box to go underneath this. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So I'm doing this off my phone. To go underneath there, and then put a plate that slides out, so I can have my like a lead well, I guess you'd call it. It's not gonna be that deep. It's gonna be probably about 7 inches deep or something. But that way, and then I could just. It won't be enough from all my leads, but I can at least get these. I think these are like 15-foot leads staying on ground. So a lot of what I do is just right off the truck. So I can get the other ones out if I need it. I do want to put a set of lead wheels, but that'll come at a different time. So I buy some, but then that, and then I really just gotta get some new lead. But as everybody knows, that's expensive stuff. So we have to hold off. So I gotta make some more money before I start doing that. But yeah, I mean, it's been running great. I mean, only complaints I got so far is I think I have a little bit too much front end weight on it from the welder. But other than that, yeah, it's been a great truck. I mean, nothing really. I still got to figure out my whole organizing system, because as you can see, that's just a cluster. But once I get this straightened out, I'll do a truck tour, I guess, rig tour, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I got some lights and stuff I still gotta add in. I want to put LED strip lights up on the top of all of them. I did that on one of my other source trucks and I love it. It's especially at night trying to get something out of these boxes and you just can't find it. So yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. Oh yeah, as you see I got the acetylene tanks in the back. Those are gonna go on the side over there that I showed you in the beginning of the video. This is a little thing I forgot who it was. I saw somebody do it on YouTube and I was like, this is a great idea. These are just, I still gotta finish mounting them, but these are just simple walk light LED. I got them on Amazon, they're like 15 bucks for 2 or something like that. And then I got this magnet, just a basic, I think it's a 3-inch magnet. And just bolted it to that, and then my plan is I'm gonna wire it in so that it just happened to be a hole in the bed, so I'm just like putting it through there. Do that, and then I can move it. If I'm doing something like here, I got a light there, or anything like that. So it just kind of a little idea I had. I saw somebody do it, and I'm like, man, that's a great idea. So I got 2 of them, which I might end up getting more, just gonna depend on if I like them. I'll probably order another set to the other side, and maybe a couple more down that, maybe a couple more down that end of the box. But yeah. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I've been running the truck for about a month now. I have it on the road. Yeah, I paid my insurance next month or something, today or something. Anyway, so yeah, I've been running good. Have little things here and there, hiccups that I gotta do. But so yeah, like I said, we had some little hiccups along the way. Nothing too major. Anything when you practically do take the whole frame off, and the truck's been sitting for probably the last 7 years. So just one of those things that you gotta do a little bit. Just trying to think of what else I've done. That's it. Yeah, like I said, once I get a few other things buttoned up and get it all cleaned up and get everything organized how I want it again, I'll do a tour and then show y'all what I got in what boxes and all that. So yeah, I think that's about all. I'm just trying to think. Yeah. Oh well, I was playing this little box thing a little more while thinking about it. Show you. Okay, so this is actually the bottom side of it. It's gonna go upside down. It's basically just a very heavy duty control. Oh my god, thing. Thought me an 1/8 inch. This bottom diamond tread right here, I had it left over from a job. It was already bent, and I was trying to find something to do with it because I just knew I could do something with it. But, so yeah, basically what I'm going to be doing is just welding this out, sticking up there, welding it to it, and then cleaning up the edges and all that, of course, put a thing on it, and then put the thing on top, so then that way I can just put my leads in there, be done. For all my short stuff, everything that need longer, I'll just get the longer leads out. Not a huge deal. But yeah, this truck will never be completely done just because kind of like a contractor's house. My dad is a contractor still, and our house is never done. There's always something little, but I get it done. It's hard working on your own stuff because you don't get paid for your own stuff. So, as you might know, but yeah. So yeah, once I get everything cleaned up and taken care of, I'll do a walk around, and then we can just go from there. But that'll be it for today. If I think about it, I'll set the camera up and getting this all fitted up and all, so that way you can at least add this in somewhere. But alright, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Have a good one. Hey there, YouTube. So, this part of the video was filmed quite a while after. As you can see, this is the new one. This is just an old video I had, and I just never finished it up and never posted it. So this is just gonna show you what this ended up being. All this is a piece of 3/8 diamond tread, a piece of 2-inch angle. And this is here because when they cut the metal, they sheared it and it put a bow on it, so I had to straighten it back out with that. So that's why this is here. But that's basically just the slides over. It's a little piece of round stock with a hole drilled in it. I used to have a lock on it, and I probably should put one back, but now I just got a little pin. And yeah, I got two 25-footers, which is ground and stingle, which a lot of what I do, I can just use them. And then I got, I believe one's a 40-foot, I think they both 40-foot, or one's 40, or one's 50, something like that. Extensions for each, so yeah, that's what I do. And then, yeah, this was just that box down here. Just went through and welded it straight to the bottom here. Carved everything out and just made it look halfway decent. So it's not watertight. I did drill some holes in the bottom. You see them right there, just to let water out. The biggest thing is just so I can put all my leads in here, and if for some reason they do get muddy or something, I can just hose them off in here and let all the water drain out. But I love this little thing. It's small things, but it makes my job so much easier. I can just pull them out, get to work, and then just spool them up, throw them back in, be done. Instead of having to drag them out of a box and all that. And then this is just, I think this is some 2-inch angle that I put a space under and I welded out. It's kind of like a track. As you can see, the paint doesn't hold up because it's moving all the time, but yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. This was just, like I said, this is just an old video I had. Found it on my phone, so I was like, I probably should post that. But hope y'all like it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Talk to y'all later.